fine. So we'll continue our revision from chapter 16, and today we'll be revising the topics satellite and moon. So let's get started.
Satellite. We all have one best friend, children, who will always be with us whenever we go, whatever we do. That friend will always be with us, always follow us to anywhere. If we go for play or if we are running in the ground, that friend is such a friend who will never leave our side. Means our best friend. Same way, our earth also has such a friend. You know who is that? That is the moon. The moon is the brightest in the night sky. It is also a satellite of our earth. Now, what is satellite? When something in space revolves around a bigger object, then that smaller object which is revolving around the bigger object, that is called satellite of the bigger object. In space, moon always revolve around earth, and that's why it's called satellite of the earth. Like for example, our earth is like a football and the size of the moon is equal to tennis ball. Means earth like a football and moon looks like tennis ball. Moon is much smaller than earth, but in the night sky it bright nicely. This is not its actual light because moon has no light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun. So satellite means the companion, the friend. A satellite moves round the planet in the same way as a planet moves round the sun. Our earth has one satellite which we call moon. Satellites, like the planets, have no light or heat of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. Children, satellites have no light or heat of their own. They only reflect with the light of the sun. Satellites revolve round the planets. For example, the earth revolves around the sun, but the moon moves round the earth. So this is all about the satellites. Now next is the moon. You must have seen different faces of moon. Sometimes it is shining brightly with its full moon, full face, sometimes half, sometimes it is not visible at all. So, have you ever wondered, children, why the moon is so moody? Because sometimes it is very happy and sometimes it seems it refuses to show up. Means it's moody. Sometimes it is visible and sometimes not. That is because the moon is constantly revolving around the earth. That is the reason it shows us different faces. So, how it happens? Children, the moon is constantly revolving around the earth. While revolving, its different faces can be seen from earth. Means the moon revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. All these phenomena make the moon change its look every night. The moon shines because it reflects sunlight. The moon completes one revolution round the earth in 29 days and 8 hours. It takes the same time to complete one rotation on its axis. That's why we can see only one side of the moon and the other side is turned away from us. One side of the moon is lighted by the sun, but as the moon moves around the earth, we see only the parts of this side. These are called the phases of the moon. On the full moon night, or we can say Purnima, the bright hemisphere is visible to us, whereas on the new moon night or Amavasya, we can say, the dark side of the moon faces the earth. So this process is known as the phases of the moon. It revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. All these phenomena make the moon change its look every day. So this is about the moon. So we have revised the two things. First is the satellite, means the companion. The best friend or the earth satellite means the junior companion. And the second thing we have revised, that is the moon. Now the next topic is the small celestial bodies. Children, apart from planets and satellites, there are many other small celestial bodies also, which move around the sun. And they are known as asteroids, meteors and comets. So first we'll start with the asteroids. These are huge pieces of rocks which are revolving around the sun. They are very similar to our planets, but much smaller. These asteroids can have many shapes. They can be round or irregular also. They also have similar features which the planets have. That's why they are called smaller planets also, because they are very much similar to our planets. Means they are very much like the planets. But compared to the planets, they are very small. They are found between orbit of Mars and Jupiter, not found in all the solar system. So asteroids are very small planet like the bodies which revolve around the sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Second is the meteors. There are some stars which are passing in the sky with a high speed. Do you know what these are? Children, these are the shooting stars. These shooting stars are the meteors. When the huge pieces of rocks comes to the space and enter the earth's surface with the great speed and start burning, that is the meteors, or also called as the shooting stars also. So the meteors are small pieces of solid mass which move about in the sky, revolving around the sun. And they become heated by friction and start burning. That's why sometimes meteors are also called the shooting stars also. So these are the shooting stars which sometimes hits the earth. And the asteroids? Children, asteroids are a swarm of small bodies in between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, which revolve round the sun. Next is the comet. Sometimes a very rare objects we can see in the night sky. It's a shining object with a long tail. These type of objects in the night sky is called comet. These comets are huge ball of ice, gases and dust which are going round the sun in the space. And these dusty snowballs catches fire when they close to the sun. And when they close to the sun, they develop a tail. So, these are big pieces of dusty snowballs. These are the comets. So, comets are a very beautiful heavenly glowing body with a long tail. Now, define all these once again. First is the planet, a heavenly body which revolves round the sun. That is planet. Second is satellite, a heavenly body which revolves round its planets. That is satellite. Third is asteroid, a swarm of small bodies in between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter which revolve round the sun. Then meteor, a shooting star which sometimes hits the earth. Last is the comet, a beautiful heavenly glowing body with a long tail. So children, today we have revised the satellite, moon and some small celestial bodies, asteroids, meteors, then comets. And your today's homework is also based on these topics: moon, satellite and planets. First of all, the fill-ups I can give you like this way. A satellite moves round the answer planet. Second, satellite have no dash or heat of their own, no light or heat of their own. Earth's satellite is known as the moon. The moon does not look the same every night. A heavenly body which revolves round the sun is called planet. And two questions and define also I am giving you two topics: meteors and comet. This is your homework. This I will give you in the PDF file. But for answers, you have to watch the video very carefully. Then only you will get the answers. That's all for today, children. Be happy. Bye-bye.